tale as old as time, tune as old as song, bittersweet and strange, finding you can change, learning you were wrong.
You're having lunch with me.
Am I?
You are.
I am not.
Perhaps the master might be a bit more gracious.
Why should I?
Yeah, precisely my point. You shouldn't. She's out of line. Why was she raised in a barn?
She is new to the castle, sire. Certain courtesy might be afforded her.
As always, you're right, Mrs. Potts.
Apple polisher.
Perhaps you will join me for lunch, if you have no other plans.
I hardly have plans. But since you put it that way, I accept.
What's keeping you?
Oh, yes. Why, I forgot all about you.
You forgot?
Well, You see, the truth is, I found a bird today, and...
You found a what?
It's a bird. He was wounded.
That makes no difference. There are no such creatures allowed in my castle. You will get rid of it immediately.
I'll do nothing of the sort.
You will? Well, of course you!
He needs me. I'm taking care of him. I bathed him, bandaged him, fed him, and...
You were supposed to eat with me.
He's had a serious injury. He needs my attention.
I want that bird out of my castle
But...
now!
Oh, no! Is he all right? I think so. Please, please wake up.
Oh, let's don't gather too close. Master!
That's beautiful.
I was trying to tell you.
Such a wonderful sound. The bird must never leave the castle. I'll keep him in a cage in the parlor.
But he'll be well soon.
He's no longer your concern.
Can't keep him in a cage. He needs to be free.
He is free to sing for me. Why won't you sing for me? You're staying in my castle. The least you can do is sing.
Why do you yell at the poor thing as if you own him?
I command him to sing. Why won't he?
Because he isn't happy. Do you think you'd sing if you were in a cage?
He must obey me.
Why don't you let him out?
He'd get away.
Would you blame him? I would too if... If only you treat him with respect, he'll be happy. If he's happy, he'll sing.
No!